Assalamu alaikum, this is Fazal Rahman. In today's video I will show you how to make light detector circuit simulation in Proteus. So without waste time, now I am starting. This way, from this way you can select the elements. First of all we need battery. Okay, and battery you just can select the single cell battery. Okay, cell. So I am selected here. Now we need resistor. Okay, resistor. Now we need LDR, light dependent resistor. So this one. Okay. Mm, After that we need transistor BC547, bipolar transistor NPN. And after that we need LED red. लेड हमें यूज़ करनी है कौन सी, रेड कलर की. This one is LED red. Okay, now we have element, we will just put here, and after we will connect it. So first of all I take cell battery. Okay, 9 volt battery. After that we need resist LDR. Okay, and now take resistors. First resistor here. Okay, the second resistor here. Okay, after that we need one resistor here. Now BC547. One is here. Okay, one is LED red. Okay, this one is not good for this, so I'm selecting again LED red. LED red is active. This one. Yes. One another resistors we need here. Just simply rotate it. Okay, this resistor here. Now just connecting these elements. And this is 200 ohm. This one 4.7 kilo ohm. 4.7 k. This one 1k. And this one is R3 is 470 ohm. So our circuit now complete. 9 volt battery, this 4 resistors. Okay, now circuit is complete. Now I am checking it's working or not. Yeah, LED is now working. If you fall light intensity on LDR, so the value of resistor down, this and this. From here you can see that the LED is turned off, and now it's on, now it's turned off, because if you fall light on LDR, so the resistor of LDR down, so the current easily can pass from LDR. Now you can see that now this resistor value is very down, so current pass from LDR and LED turn off. So this is today project. So in next video I will show you how to make in 3D, how to make this circuit in 3D and PCB layout. So thank you for watching it, must subscribe my channel, and thank you, goodbye.